Everything in this world is powered by a machine. Machines with just physical mechanics are getting quite old school now. Through the advancement in technology, engineers today can develop machines that can learn on their own. This is called machine learning, a field that is used to develop predictive models and algorithms, giving out the ability to the computers to perform and carry out tasks without being explicitly programmed or designed for it, similar to how you draw a line of best faith with an initial setup data, and your regression tries to improvise its predictive line of best faith with newly added data. Some applications of machine learning that we use daily are suggested friends on Facebook, recommendations on Netflix, and, of course, all the search engines we use. Machine learning concepts are now being implemented on a new and rapidly growing domain called artificial intelligence. AI consists of systems that enable computers to perform intelligent human tasks without being explicitly designed for it. Some artificial intelligence implements unsupervised machine learning, that is, the machine needs to find patterns on its own. And some AI implements supervised machine learning, that is, the machine is trained on a certain amount of input dataset, like the linear regression model. Examples of day-to-day common uses of machine learning and artificial intelligence include Siri, computer game playing, fraud detection on credit cards, online customer support using chatbots, and security surveillance. However, there are more extreme applications of AI, such as the AI Band Plus, that allows you to experience lucid dreams and control them through the use of electroencephalogram technology that is used to detect abnormalities of electrical activity in the brain. But now companies are able to create products that can access your brain waves and EEG data. Since computer hardware and software are rapidly advancing, many products surpass the capabilities of human experts. There is great potential in use of such technologies such as fewer errors in medical practice and fewer road accidents. Products have features such as faster speed, integration of cameras, and precise speech recognition that allow them to perform some tasks better than humans. The underlying technologies of machine learning and AI are very complex, but essentially machine learning systems are composed of three parts: the model, the parameters, and the learner. The model is a system that makes the predictions and identifications. The parameters are the signals and factors that the model uses to make its decisions. And the learner is a system that adjusts the parameters by looking at the differences and predictions and the actual outcomes. Some examples of inputs are sensors and downloaded data. An associative learning system is the most crucial component of an AI system. This presents us with the learning system of the machine and test boundaries, giving it the ability to perceive, learn new information, and allow for cooperation and socialist intelligence upon human interaction. Although machine learning and artificial intelligence are extremely useful technologies, they also pose several ethical dilemmas. An analysis concluded that by 2034, 47% of all jobs in the United States can become automated, which means that essentially robots will take over human employment. This, however, may be appealing to companies, since robots don't require salaries. Other question to debate is, what if the machine fails? Who is to blame? The programmers are the end users of the product, since the machines do not have advanced social intelligence. How will they make complex and moral decisions? The AI revolution is just like the Industrial Revolution, except now robots are taking over human brains instead of physical abilities. A terrifying thought that is causing many individuals to raise questions about why humans even exist. At Foxmula, we believe that AI should be implemented primarily to benefit and facilitate everyday tasks with limited supervision, to ensure the concept of superhuman intelligence does not become a reality. Now, we, at Foxmula, have a strategy planned, specially to begin your career in machine learning. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Not here, right? Frustrated and tired, with millions taking the same approach towards education, millions working equally hard. among growing issues like lack of industry-oriented knowledge, high workload, low salaries, and unemployment. To boost your career, you need to stand out. Presenting Machine Learning Using Python Program. Industry-oriented online training with live discussion sessions. Global certifications like Microsoft Technology Associate by Microsoft Education, MSME by Government of India, and more. And project-based internship by our parent company Inversion Consultancy LLP. Now gain skills, recognitions and exposure, all at one platform. Foxmula, the smart way.